is not high enough. It's on there. So I live in Alberta, so the cat got cut off this. And the people I bought it from just put a length of straight pipe in, but they got the O2 sensor wiring taped up. I got an engine light and I'm only getting like 200 kilometers to a tank and I'm out of breath. So this has a new flange here and here. This one I have a flange there. So the plan, take this off, bolt that on, reuse that flange down here where it was cut off, and it'll match up with this one. And if it leaks just a little bit, I'll be happy. All right, I'll get at it. Come on. Very good at stealing catalytic converters. I'm going to reuse this end. Okay, that's pretty good. That goes there. I'm going to leave this and make as good of a job as I can. I'll probably reinstall a clamp and then weld as much as I can around here. And then I'm going to cut this straight and then use this flange, weld it on, and should be done somewhat right. Score it. Let's see what happens here. Right around there. Alright. Try this again. I'm probably gonna do this. I'll be able to get all the way across the top. Look like garbage here, but it'll seal. I'll do this, then on this end, I'll tighten those up and it'll clamp it all together. And then I got a leak here, but that looks like it's been here since the beginning of time, so I'm gonna leave it. I can't see that, but hopefully it's sealed up. I got it on here. The engine light went out. I'll climb underneath and show you. So there's the back. So flange. I recycled this one. I welded here and left this. And up there is all factory. Bolt it right on. Catalytic converter and O2 sensor. I'm gonna have to put a clamp on here. I forgot about that, but it's all good. No leaks. And hopefully I get more fuel mileage than 250k to a tank. That's pathetic.